Okay, so I'm about to season my portobello mushrooms, and I figured I'd let you guys kind of see how I season mine and get them ready to turn into like burger patties. And I'm also gonna make me a smoothie real quick because I'm not eating yet, and it's like 3 o'clock. So I figured the first thing I need to put on my belly should be something, of course, good, healthy. So I'm gonna make me one of my breakfast smoothies. And I'll let you guys see how I do that. So I'll put you to where you can look at what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a plate. I've already rinsed my mushrooms and dried them a little bit. I mean, they're not perfectly dry, but close enough. All right, I've got umami. Is that how you say it? I'm not really sure, but the mushroom seasoning. I'm gonna put some of that on here. We're gonna put a little bit of gourmet burger seasoning. Nutritional yeast. And I may not always put the same exact, this is onion powder. I may not always put the exact same seasoning. It just depends on what I have on hand and how I'm feeling. And how quick I'm making my burgers. All right, this is garlic powder. Just gonna kind of press that down in there. Okay. And then on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with these mushrooms. I'm just adding olive oil now. And then I'll just kind of add additional seasonings as I put it inside the bag. I will be adding coconut aminos instead of soy sauce, because last time I used soy sauce, it made the mushrooms a little bit salty. So I guess it all depends. But this time I'm not going to use soy sauce because I used seasonings which have enough salt. So I decided to just go with the coconut aminos. All right, so enjoy the video, guys. These are gonna be delicious. So now I'm just gonna make sure I don't have a bunch of extra air in here. Okay, and so now I'm going to let them sit in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use them later on. I'm going to make us a nice burger. All right, I'm going to put this stuff up. Got all your stuff together. Let's grab up all of our ingredients. Okay, so my smoothies are like a whole vibe. Like I am a queen of smoothies. This is almond butter. And guys, if you've never had it in a smoothie, well, in a breakfast smoothie, and you don't know what you're missing, that thing will get you all the way right. It is so delicious. And this is some protein. How much I want? Some protein powder. Okay, I guess I'm forgetting to start the show. I need to go grab something. Okay, star of the show. These are maple brown sugar oatmeal packs. I'm gonna put 2 in here. And I said star of the show, but I guess it's one of the stars of the show. And sometimes I use rolled oats instead of these packets because I know these aren't the best for you, but I still buy them for the convenience and for the cost. Rolled oats are pretty expensive, and still want to get my oats in, but I may not use all of my rolled oats every time I make a smoothie. Sometimes I'll use these instead. So I alternate. And then these are some frozen blueberries. And sometimes I put, the other version of this is I'll use granola and rolled oats instead of the oatmeal packets. That's usually the way I make it. But right now I'm out of granola, and so I'm doing it this way. Okay, and the final touch, because I'm a sucker for nuts. We're gonna put some nuts on top. These are chopped pecans. And here we go, a nice, refreshing, healthy breakfast smoothie. And it is absolutely delicious. It's nice to get the little crunch from the nuts. Okay, very good. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Holla at you. So my granddaughter's vegetarian, and so this is what I'm making her. Last time I made them on the grill because my husband was cooking on the grill, but this time I didn't want to fry them in a pan on the stove just because it just gets to be a lot. But I decided to try them in the oven because I've never did this before, and so it's looking pretty good. I know, you know, mushrooms always look like they burnt up, but it's the seasonings on it, and it always tastes good. So I'm gonna try out this method here. Wait a minute. I just got through flipping them, so I'll just flip it back so you can see. Yeah. So that's how they're looking now. And she absolutely loves them. She actually asked me for it. And so that's why I ended up cooking them. But anyway, so that's what she's having for tonight. And yeah, well, she and I, because I'll eat some with her, but nobody else is gonna eat it. Okay.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from